Now let's add the grid and coordinate values. So that we need to select the map frame and go to the insert and new grid. Let's select this one. We have successfully added the grids and coordinate points, but we need to fix the spacing a little bit, so that let's unlock our map frame and make it a little shorter, so that we will create some room for the coordinate values. It looks okay now. Now we want to remove the inside grids. We will only allow the coordinate points and tick marks. So label and ticks, no inside the grid lines. For that, let's click on this grid, go to element, and you need to select the components, and from the components let's click on the grid line and remove this. Our grid lines have been removed.